Tingnan mo. Lahat binigyan ko. Wala.
Wala lang. Wala na.
May 3 linggo lang nang wala. Wala talaga. Per 4, 4.
Ganyan ka magsalita. Talk slowly nga.
Oo, bakit?
Talk like a boy. Talk like a man.
Oh! Isa pa.
Talk like a man.
Boy. My little boy. Isa pa.
Bakit? Anong gagawin mo?
Isa. Lola!
Anong gagawin mo?
Sumbong kita.
Sumbong mo ko?
Oo, kay kuya.
Mama's boy ka, no?
Bakit?
Wala. Bakit? Hey! Talk like a man.
Bakit?
Bakit?
Good.
Ayaw na magsalita, oh.
Ano?
Oh my God! Talk like a man, ano?
My voice is very quiet. Bakit? It's who I am.
Bakit may chicken ka?
Chicken.
Ayan. Nilimliman ba yung mga itlog mo?
Sabi siya, oo.
Tanong sa kanya kung ba't may chicken. Nilagay ko yung chicken sa loob ng sako, papunta kami dito.
Bakit?
Kasi mahilig siya sa manok.
Chisero kayo.
No, hindi. Totoo.
Mahilig siya sa manok. Diba ano
Anong
favorite part mo sa manok?
Manok? Favorite.
No.
Mahilig ako mag-alaga.
O, yun.
Marami akong alaga sa probinsya namin.
Kaya alaga sa baka, manok.
Baka, kalapate, aso, pusa.
I mean, may farm kami.
Talaga?
I live it, may bahay kami sa pero sa may bundok talaga.
Okay.
Walang ilaw. Pero may tubig. May mga ano din kami. I hate turkeys. My God. Kasi, hinabol ako. Hinabol pala yun. Galit na galit talaga ako. Bumili akong pellet gun, pinaril ko.
Wow!
Kasi nagkaano ako dito, tinusik ako. Dami ko sugat, kasi ang bilis tumakbo eh. Mga 5 tabo. Oo. 5 tabo umabol sa akin. Kasi nagpapakain ako, ganyan. Nag-skirt-skirt sa akin. Galit na galit ako. Bumili akong pellet gun, binagbabaril-baril ko. Hindi pa namatay, bumili akong airsoft gun, hiniram ko. May turkey kami the next day. Hindi kasi bata pa naman ako noon. Sorry. Nag-impet nga akong pig dati.
How old were you then?
Mga...
Ko baka?
8, 9.
Ito na. Still pretty young.
Tapos marunong ako mag-chop ng kangkong, halo mo sa yung...
Gawin mong kaning baboy?
Oo. Tanglad? Kangkong. Kangkong. Naputol nga ang buko ko dito eh.
Yeah. My cousin has...
Kasi yung business namin, sugar cane.
May piggery siya dito.
So, lumaki talaga ako sa farm.
Saan probinsya?
Baho.
Dumaguete, Negros. Hello mga taga Dumaguete. See you soon. Bon voyage.
Like over 300 pigs and stuff.
Ano?
Kung wala ka ba?
Kanina ka pa.
I stopped counting. It's too much.
Ha?
I don't want to count anymore.
Di naman? Di ba? Ay, small ones. Ano yung
Yeah, when they're small.
The toy ones. Ay, namimiss ko na yung mga friends. Everyday kami magkakasama. Sino mga friends mo?
McBabe.
Sila Melissa.
Hi guys. What up?
Sila Paul Jake. Sila Kea Bad. Wow, si Miss Kea Bad. Sila Patty. Mga Berkemons. Sila AJ.
Taga saan ka?
Cebu, Dumaguete.
Gusto ko pumunta doon. Gusto ko pumunta doon.
Gusto mo dyan?
I wanna go there when it's Sinulog.
Oh, you should try Sinulog so much.
That was a plan. Dati.
Yeah, saya. You're gonna start drinking at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, or you can start drinking at 12 o'clock, and you're gonna walk the parade. Mga, I don't know, 8 kilometers, hindi ko alam. Ang saya, parang, alam yung sa Brazil, na, yung Mardi Gras nila?
No, Mardi Gras.
No, Mardi Gras sa Brazil. Ano yung fiesta nila doon?
Day of the Dead?
No, yung may magsasayaw sa, Rio Grande.
Rio de Janeiro?
Favorite
see that?
movie? Ano, there's a movie also, Drio. Let's have a street party. And if they saw you without a bottle of beer or inainom, they're gonna give you beer.
Nice! Not pay for anything.
Yeah.
This is, you gotta have a beer in your hand.
My friends do, they put a beer pong in a big straw. Tapos they'll walk, may backpack silang beer.
Oh.
Yes. That's having fun.
Sipping on beer?
Para soft drinks.
Nope.
Gusto niya eh.
Well, if you guys like it, hindi ko...
No, I don't try it. So yung friends ko lang, natutuwa lang ako. That's how to have fun. Gonna start party at 12 until 12 noon the next day.
Chiboy.
So much fun. So ano?
Pwede.
Ano?
No. Sige.
Bakit? Bakit ang tahimik mo, Bigel?
Wala.
Kasi ano bang meron sa probinsya nyo?
Baka.
Wala kang TV?
Meron. Magka-TV naman. Nandun sa kapatid ng lulo ko. Nakituluyan lang kami. Nakitirik ang bahay.
Nagtirik ang bahay.
Nakitirik ang
Nakikibahay.
Nakituluyan lang.
Wala naman. Okay, that's sad.
Where are you from?
Ulit-ulit. Ulit-ulit.
Saan ka tira dito?
Dumagiti yan eh.
Saan ka tira?
Where?
Oh.
Ulit-ulit?
Where are you from? Oh.
Ulit-ulit?
Ulit.
Okay.
Sige. Ano? Nagamitan ko?
Dumaguete. I grew up in Cebu. My mom is from... I grew up in Dumaguete, but my mom is from Cebu.
Where's Magete?
Somewhere near Cebu. So where are you from?
Chicago.
Kalimutan ko eh.
Oh.
Ano?
Sige. Gusto mo ako.
Bakla nito.
Sige, tuloy mo.
Bakit? Damn. So ganito lang kayo parate? Hindi.
No. Today was weird.
Oh. Yung araw din. Ngayon. Weird.
Why is it weird?
One,
Weird.
it's super hot. Two, you guys came out of nowhere. The door was locked.
That was
Wow!
the last
I was wearing
secret.
red lipstick and you didn't let me in.
So what does that mean?
Open the door.
Nag-effort ako mag-red lipstick. Kaya pala yung lipstick. Nag-red boots pa ako. Hindi pa ako pinasok. Sayang yung outfit.
What?
Why? Tomorrow mag-long dress ako. Passion. Where are you from? Ay, ang boring niya.
Oh. No, me and Sandra this time we would swim.
Yeah.
Or
Go
work out.
swimming.
Huh?
Go swimming.
Hindi ko gusto mo yun.
Why?
Kasi it's like, maybe sitat kami. So
This is
it's like
just chill time right now.
hanging out with you.
We're just chilling.
Diba?
Do you have a nice
Get
body?
to know you. Huh?
You have a nice body?
Hindi.
Okay, you don't go swim. Joke lang. Don't take everything seriously.
Oh.
Ano?
Sige.
Subukan mo.
Oh.
Subukan mo. Try mo. Sige.
Anong gagawin mo para subukan ko?
Bakit ka sasabihin sa'yo?
Susumbong kita.
Ano?
Susumbong ka.
Ano? Bakit? So where are
Tubig,
you
gusto mo?
going?
Tubig?
No, thanks. Ano?
How would you like me to talk, ha?
Talk like a man.
Like in what voice? Ganon. That's not my
Ah,
actual
you talk
voice.
straight like a man. You're like, subukan mo.
Tigas ng...
Ano? Bakit? So wala kayong mga cards dito or what?
Pero, meron ako sa... I had some.
Cards?
Yeah.
And then?
Luggage.
What
You never gave it to me.
Dati meron kami.
Yeah?
Lahat dito sobrang higpit
Man,
siguro
you
itong
guys had
season na to.
everything.
Lahat wala. Maybe because you're not doing anything fun. Interesting for them to see.
Good.
Ano?
Hindi.
Bakit? What with the voice, man?
How do you want my voice to be?
Talk like a man. Talk like Carlo. Like, ooh.
He's 26.
It's so baby
wow.
talk.
Wow, man.
Baby talk na sobra.
Whoa, whoa.
I'm sorry, girl.
Ano?
Because you're a man. I'm so cute.
Bakit?
My voice is very soft-spoken. That's the way
Very.
my voice
Sobrang
is.
mahina.
Ano?
Mahina ang voice.
Gago! Don't touch me!
Guys,
Ano?
napansin.
Oy, sabi niyo wala kayong banana! Ba't
Ano?
may banana ako nakita?
Wala na. Kasi nagtago ko.
Sabi niyo wala kayong banana.
Wala na.
Meron! Kita sa dalawang mata ko.
Pagkainin mo.
So liar!
Kainin mo.
Ayoko, it's dirty na.
Mo, pero napansin ko, they keep trying to bring up the outside world. So be very careful. Ingat ka,
All
ha?
of them? All of them?
All of them. Narinig ko questions about the outside world and questions about the previous. Like, where was your audition at?
Oh, no.
Don't.
I said,
Don't. Ingat.
Bakit? Ano hindi pwede sabihin?
ingat sa outside world questions.
Yung tanong sila about outside world, about previous, everything. Lahat. Just ingat.
Ano?
Ingat ka sa tanong nila.
May mga tanong sila.
Yung bawal yung tanong. Diba? He keeps asking questions about his audition.
My audition, I said.
tanong sila.
Oo, pero I said, siguro hindi pwede yan.
Oh, open the door so it doesn't look all obvious.
So hot. Such a beauty. Ano? Ano? Bakit?
Huh?
Ano?
All the questions.
Bakit? Ano?
Ano?
Diba? She mentioned about
Talk like a
what
baby.
she, our underwear.
Sige, sige.
Don't
Ano?
Ako, baby. Baby girl. Ano?